Welcome to Sreelaya's channel. Today's special is a delicious and crunchy chicken cutlet. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Half kilo of minced chicken, 1 whole potato boiled and mashed, 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped, a handful of coriander finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Add all of the ingredients to the minced chicken and give it a good mix and knead it continuously until the ingredients have all mixed in. Set it aside in the refrigerator for about an hour. After an hour of refrigeration, whisk 2 eggs in a flat saucer. You will need breadcrumbs. To the breadcrumbs, add 1.5 teaspoon of corn flour, half a teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix. Add a little bit of cooking oil to the inside of your palms so that the mixture doesn't stick, and start by making tomato-sized balls. Flatten this out, ensure that the edges are evenly circled, dip it in the egg yolk and transfer it to the breadcrumbs. Now instead of breadcrumbs, you could also use panko breadcrumbs, which just gives you a little bit of a crunchier coating, and set aside and repeat the process for the remainder of the mixture before we start frying them. Frying pan, smear some oil and transfer the cutlets. You could also deep fry them, but I personally prefer to keep my oil consumption on the lower side, so I'm just going to fry them on a pan. The secret to making a well-cooked cutlet is to fry them on a medium flame. The medium flame ensures that the heat is transferred evenly through the cutlet right to the center, and when you flip them over, the cooking process is consistent and you get a well-cooked cutlet. A perfect evening snack or a dinner side dish. Please do try them at home and leave the comments behind as to how it turned out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and click that magic bell icon because that will tell you when my new videos are up. God bless you and have a wonderful day.